Good day everyone, I'm Eliza Medel Rosario from BSHM2A, and this is one of our complaints to our subject, which is supply chain management. And for today's video, I would like to share my reflection in chapter 3, supply chain operation, making and delivery. The third stage in the supply chain management process in the production or productive of goods requested by the consumer. The goods are developed, cropped, checked, packed, and seen for distribution at this high level. It is the responsibility of the supply chain manager to prepare all the necessary activities for fabrication, testing, packaging, and distribution planning. In this phase, companies will measure the level, manufacturing output, and productivity of the workers as the most metric-intensive part of the supply chain. The three activities in the division are: first, product design. The product design component specification are dependent on the current technologies and productive specification requirements. Until recently, little attention was given to how the nature of a product and the selection of this part influence the supply chain needed to make the product. Second is product scheduling. When market dynamics adjust, product scheduling become a constant balancing act. Development managers must meet the often contrasting demands of offering high levels of customer care while keeping inventory down and plant productivity high. The output scheduling operation is method of finding the best possible compromise between many opposing goals, which is the first goal is high utilization rates, long runs in management, central production, and delivery system. And the second is high level of customer service, many limited manufacturing runs with high levels of inventory. And lastly is low levels of inventory short. This is manufacturing process and low just-in-time raw material distribution. And the third, lastly, is C is facility management. Both decision and facility management are taken under the limits imposed by decision on the sites of the facility. It is generally very costly to close down an installation or to construct an additional facility. But businesses experience the applications of decision to find their installation. Facility management of the installation takes place as a given location and works on how best to leverage existing power. Decisions need to be taken in three areas. First area is the role each facility will play. This includes action that decide the operation in which service can be carried out. And the second is how capacity is allocated in each facilities. Decision on capacity utilization results in the equipment and labor that are employed at the facility. And the last is third is the allocation of supply the markets to each facility. The first two decisions influence this. The facility needs different types of supplier, and the goods and quantities it can allow to accommodate can serve certain types of industry. Rules of order management. First is enter the order once and only once. Capture the order as similar as possible to the original source remotely. Do not return the order manually. Second is automate order routing. Send order immediately to convenient delivery points. People only handle exceptions. Third is make order status visible. Allow consumers and service agents to immediately view the details on the order status if they choose to. Four is use integrated order management system. To protect data integrity, associate order management system electronically with other similar system. Next is for delivery scheduling. Direct deliveries. There are deliveries from one place to the reception place. The routing is essentially the fastest route between the two places using this type of distribution. And the next is milk run deliveries. The milk run deliveries, there are some deliveries that carry goods for a single place of origin to various receiving sites. And there are also deliveries that bring products from multiple places of origin to one receiving site. Source of delivery. Number one is single product location. This includes plants or warehouses that are available for shipping in a particular community of the narrow selection of similar products. Second is distribution centers. There are warehouses in which bulk commodities are transported from single product location, where vendors are situated far from consumers. And use of logistics center ensures economies of scale in long distance shipping. And that's it for today's video. See you in my next reflection about supply chain chapter 4.